Yo, what's up? We got Jerrod back on the channel, Carrot Lettuce in the flesh. He's still drinking his tea. I'm still drinking my coffee. We just got to the studio. Another day in the life of two producers with nerd necks and bad backs. We're gonna try to create something indie today. Maybe we'll use the keyboard. Maybe we'll use the acoustic. I'm gonna let him take the lead on starting the song and we'll just see what we can create. So let's freaking get into it. Ugh. All right, man. So we just woke up. I want to write something like cool guy indie.
Like mid-tempo?
Yeah, like mid-tempo, maybe drier drums. Maybe we'll pick a couple pedals just to like box ourselves in a little bit. You know what I mean?
Sure.
For sure the McGee pedal. We'll try that. Have you ever messed with that one?
Nope.
We'll do a chorus pedal. Let's do...
These little itty bitty knobs.
Dude, I gotta get cracked. I gotta drink some coffee. You can't go wrong with a blues driver. What about this? Like the rotary? All right, so we'll do distortion first. This is okay to use, right? Like patch cables for guitar. Here's the first tip of the day. The first tip of the day.
Here's the second and the third and the fourth and the fifth tips.
And the seventh and the eighth. Don't quote me on this. I'm pretty sure. If it's got two lines on it, it means it's stereo, which means it is balanced. If it only has one line on it, it means it's unbalanced. All right, let's see if it works. They're not plugged in. Okay, out to in. Yeah, cool. And then new, two, input one, input two.
Ooh, that's nice.
Horn level?
Your horn level's pretty high.
Dude, my horn level is always up there.
Just DI'd.
We can run it like that. Have at it. Dude, do you like how pro I am with this this pedal board setup right now? I love this pedal, the Super Chorus. Kirpaloo with God City instrument pedal, super underrated company. Everything I've ever used from them, which has been sparingly, but everything I've used from them has been sick.
The indie stuff.
You are cracked. Isn't it crazy that cracked means something else now? Like you can't say, oh damn, like, yeah, that band isn't good because like everybody in that band is a bunch of goons. That means something else too. Give me my words back, you know?
Yeah, dude.
We got the Ranger Effects McGee pedal. The coolest reverb out right now. Stole this from Austin. I don't even think he knows I have it, to be honest. Get f***ed, Austin. Okay, let's run it. Give me a little more swag in it. Doom, doom, la, na, na, na. Perfect. Da, da, on the last chord. Doom, for the exit.
Oh, okay. Because I was thinking it would be a turnaround.
Okay.
So it'd be like... I keep hearing it do that at the end of that section.
Let's make the
Chorus.
pre that for that loop of chords instead of the back and forth. Yeah. Where is it?
Right there, would have been right there.
Okay, yeah, let's see. Because I'm having trouble locking into like where the melody will go with that. Thinking about it now, because that's where I'm hearing the key of the song.
Yeah.
Be there when it's over, keep it when I'm sober. See, it gets lost on that chord, I think.
That's, yeah, because the way I heard it was that being the turn coming into a big, like a really big chorus.
Why can't I hear the Oasis vocal on top of it? It's Lenny Kravitz vibe. I hear you.
Oh, okay. There you go.
Some low end
You
stuff.
almost had the same melody that I had in my head.
It's feeling so happy. Much better. Everybody wants. Why can't I I feel like the F is not hitting me right. What else can we go to?
Nope.
That's sick. What's it, G? That's it. Let's switch it to that.
Okay.
Everybody here thinking is all that I can. That's not it. It's close. I kind of like how that's vibing. Let me make that better, yeah. There it is. Run to drums. I'm pretty sure Harry's go-to thing is this full beat squeeze or overhead slam on splice loops, and it makes it sound swaggy and cool. But I also like either gating it before it or like SPL transient designing the kit. See what I mean?
Do you have Studer?
Yeah.
The tape thing? Go to Studer. There's an effects preset. I think it's called like Breaking Up. Try that.
Really cool. Yeah. Let's run it. I want to add on an acoustic, and it's just doing the Pine Grove thing. Dun, dun, la, 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 la. Okay, so. Let me mix that real quick. Just decapitate it. Were you the one that turned me on to the Pultec setting on the decapitator?
I think so.
Yeah,
for vocals.
Yep. I think it'll sound cool on the acoustic. Woo! It's cool. Let's get some bass on it.
Uh-oh.
Bass is a little touchy. You can just hit it. Yeah. Just try some stuff out.
Yeah, let me just...
1, 2, 3, 4.
I kind of.
I don't like the second.
I don't like it. I don't like it. It's not dreamy enough.
Yeah. Try no walking notes.
Okay.
Just to hear that. This is cool. I don't have anything that sounds like this yet. Reminds me of like Culture Abuse or Pine Grove. Pause the video. Dude, I feel like your riffs aren't really hitting today. I think there's something wrong with your head.
What's the sauce?
Bring Back Sick Riffs hat. You can get it for something like $30.69. You can also join the Patreon for $6.69, where we tell extra horror stories and extra production tips, and I give away drum packs and grooves, and maybe you'll see Jerrod on the channel telling about his history in One Republic or working on the Lonely Island, something special like that. Let us know what you want to hear. We'll get him to spill all the sauce. And if you're new here, please subscribe. Quit being a creep, unsubscribe, watching in your mom's basement alone in the corner of the room. If you subscribe, you become a millionaire, you get a mansion, and then everything works out. Thanks. I'm gonna patch you into this. It's battery powered, so it's really cool. And then we'll patch it into the Chroma console and patch it into inputs 1 and 2. Dude, I love that we're like using gear again, you know? We don't need plugins. Let's switch the tape, man. I just had sex, yeah. So good. For anybody that doesn't know, Jerrod is the mastermind behind I Just Had Sex by the Lonely Island. His lore is endless. His passion is relentless. His bed is sexless. See what I'm saying? I'm just gonna get you a loop so you can mess around a little bit. Beautiful. I like that.
Yeah, I know. That's a big pop thing, is making drums tonal.
Let's do it. I think that's good.
Yeah.
Dude, you nailed that part. You crushed that.
In one take, Jake. I just like the idea of being confined to something. If you give me an infinite database, I'm fucked.
Especially recently, that's been my shit. Let's write some pseudo lyrics. I got something cooking.
Sweet.
LA has been on fire again. I've had a nail in my back tire for a couple weeks, and like, I'm not worried about it. I think I'll be able to escape just fine, like if LA goes up in flames, you know what I mean? So, and I think it's a good way to lead into something like either the optimism or like how I'm just not really caring about like real life. The hell's on fire. I've had a nail in my back tire for a couple weeks and... Okay, I'm gonna punch those in.
Okay.
And then I think I just wanna get a pre going, and then let's write the chorus.
Sweet.
And then that's a song starter.
Sweet, man.
It's got a vibe, it's got some lyric concepts, and it's got some cool production, which is all I could ask for, you know? The hell's on fire. I've had a nail in my back tire for a couple weeks and... Should this be more like starting line up?
What do you mean?
Like
For your
kind of,
voice?
yeah, like belted.
I think so. I don't know why, but it does sound kind of Chino Marino-y to me. Like,
With some verb and stuff, it would be cool.
yeah.
Let me try it.
More emotional and loud, I think.
Okay, let me try that.
I don't know why I'm pushing every new girl to the side, and I hate this. I keep up, 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 tonight. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Third eye blind, you know what I mean?
Ooh.
Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah! Let's figure out a chorus progression.
Now, do
And
you
maybe
want a
melody.
big, the BRM course, as the acceptance guys would call it?
Yeah, yeah.
The big rock money course?
Yeah, I would love some big rock money. They're all great. So
That sounds more right to me,
Okay.
like on theme.
I'm big braining it. Quiet on the set.
Oh yeah, that's a nice little octave. Maybe an octave guitar part there.
I'm cracked. Bro, there's something about no drums that's really cool. That's so sick. And then if we just do a pedaling lead guitar, no
Yep.
rhythm guitar, I think I want to do an anti-chorus, at
Oh,
least for
okay.
this first one.
Okay.
Yo, you like how many plugins I've used on this session?
None?
Yeah, literally none except for auto-tune. All right, let me get a couple lyrics in there for the chorus. Da, 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 da.
How high is your range? Like, how high can you go? Can you hit the high, I guess it would be the high A?
Yeah! Here, throw your headphones on. Let's try some stuff.
If everybody wants it up,
It's kind of like early November. Oh, I got it.
I hope I wake up in the morning.
Because of the fires.
Oh yeah.
Let's go.
If I wake up in the morning?
If I wake up in the morning,
If I wake up in the morning.
I think I'll give another go or something like that. And the mountain has gone cold or something like that. I'll beat those lyrics, but I think that's a good start.
Will you still be waiting for me?
Yeah. So if I wake up in the morning, or will I be another ghost? Sick.
Will you still be waiting for me?
No bass.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? I think it kind of lands a little better.
And I no longer feel cold.
Oh, bro, here you go. Throw this guy, your little sonar guy back.
So if I wake up in the morning.
Sounds sick, man. All right, I'm gonna let it rip. Maybe we'll
Vibe.
put a pin in it. All right, so you heard the song, you saw us create the track. Make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and follow Jerrod on Instagram, and reach out if you ever need production. He's a weapon of mass destruction in his pants and in real life. Also, if you want to catch another video I did with Jerrod, we have a couple up on the channel already, so you can click right here in order to watch it. So we'll catch you guys next time. Thanks for watching.
The hill's on fire. I've had a nail in my back tire for a couple weeks, and I don't know why I'm pushing every new girl to the side, and I'm biting on my time. If I wake up in the morning and I no longer feel cold, Will you still be waiting for me? Yeah. Or will I be another ghost?